Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Listen, guys, I wanted to stop in and holler at y'all. I'm going over to a couple of stores. I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna go to a little nursery here in my area that I like, right? So, if you all want to go with me, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go, y'all. Hello everyone, I am back home, y'all. I'm back home. So while I was out in at Rose Garden Center, so a couple of things happened, family. I met a young lady. So listen, I'm gonna put that clip right here. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so tell everybody what's your name.
My name is Leslie, and I love the New Orleans garden.
So I'm coming to one of my favorite nurseries, and here she is. She said, wait a minute, I thought I know you. And I took my mask off. She said, New Orleans gardener. I love it. I love it. Good to meet you, baby.
You too.
Good to meet you. Wonderful. Let's go shop.
Yes.
It was so sweet. Her name is Lisa, and Lisa told me she needed some sugar cane. So family, I'm gonna make sure Lisa gets some sugar cane, y'all. But anyway, I purchased this. This is a pawpaw. It's a pawpaw tree, and that's the price. Look at her, y'all. Just terrible. Terrible. Oh my God. What do you do? I'm gonna try to just put her in here like here. This is just bad. Bad. How they have her in there like that. Let me just try to tear the bottom out. Yeah. So I'm going to get this baby in this pot. I've got some I got some soil all mixed up and ready. Look at her, y'all. Wait, let me see if you can see that. Yeah, that's the way she look. Terrible, right? Right. That's okay. I got it some I have her some rainwater. And I just fixed up this pot here for her. I got this good soil. Wait, I'm gonna get her a little bit deeper than that. So this is a nice deep pot. I'm thinking this pot is about 15 gallons. But anyway, that's the way she look. And now I'm gonna give her some water. Wait, let me see, can you really get to see her? That's the way she look, y'all. So I have some rainwater here. Now I'm gonna take her and put her out, under the plantain tree, because you know she been over there in that garden center for so long. She had been there for a while. There was a lot of them, yeah. So I'm gonna set her out there, and let's see how she grows, family. Let's see how she grows. So we got a pawpaw tree today. Right, so we are at Rose Garden Center. That's where we at, mommy? So we just looking at plants, and yeah, I don't see anything exciting to me. Yeah, there's a lot of plants here. They have a papaya here. This papaya is $16.99. She's really tall. Okras. What is that over there? Let's go see. Bunching onions. Yeah. Let's see, what is this? Oh, these are pawpaw trees. Pawpaws. $12.99. Pawpaws. Hey now. You think we should get one, Mommy?
Why not? I mean,
$13.
you think that's a good price?
Yeah, we'll get one. We'll see. And what is this? Cactus. Okay. We ain't doing that. These are peppers. Melatonin. No, we got that. All right. So let's get that, and then we're gonna get up out of here. So which one you choose?
Well, not that one.
Yeah, not this one, huh? This one look. You think that one?
I think. Look at
Hmm?
you. Look at it.
The roots coming out the bottom. It's almost like, wow. I don't know how long she been in that pot.
And it's a little.
Have to definitely transfer her.
Look.
Yeah, she's dried. Wow, look at that, y'all. Wow.
You think we should get this one?
Yeah. It's cool. We'll get her. Let's see what we do. See if we can save her. All right, y'all. Pearls or whatever. $26. It's house plants. I know. So these are angel trumpets here. These are purples and white angel trumpets for $10. $10. Pretty. That's pretty. Yep. This is a oh wow. This look like that shrimp or that fish. What it says? Shrimp. Yep. That's a shrimp plant. I figured that was it. It's a shrimp. It's a shrimp plant. No, thank you. So this is where she'll be sitting for a while, next to the guava. Yeah, it's a pawpaw tree, y'all. All right. Good morning, everyone. So many of my sunflowers got their heads down. That's the biggest one right there. And this one. Yeah. But she's looking real fine this morning. Oh yeah. So I got up and I decided to come out and try to find some breakfast this morning. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go over to this fig tree. It may have something for me this morning. Let's go see. So this is the LSU purple. She got something on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one looked good this morning. The only thing about it, wow, you know, it's warm because it's hot out here. Now that is an LSU gold. She look good. This one, but she feel tight. So I'm thinking to take her. She feel tight, and I don't want it tight. I want it I want it to be soft, you know? Nope. Now she look right, but she don't feel right. These two back here, yeah, they need some time. So, I have another spot, y'all. Let's go see. So, these are the plantains this morning, and they're looking fine. Real good this morning. This is 2 plantain flowers in here, and they're doing well. Yeah. This one have not opened her racks yet, but she's doing fine. She's looking big. This one, she's doing good. Yo. Alright, let's go in and get something to eat. Alright, family, so this is my breakfast. So I had figs that I had harvested already and put them in my refrigerator. So this is a LSU Gold. This is a gold fig. I have some purples and some from Fiona. Yeah. I have some toast where I dehydrated a lot of my parsley. That's what's on it, and cheese and butter. And that is a tigger melon. That's a tigger melon. Yep. And I got those seeds. I got them. And of course I have my coffee. Now, I like it cold from the refrigerator, right? It's so good. Oh, she's real sweet this morning. Yeah. That's when I'll allow them to stay on the tree long enough because I've been so wanting to eat them, right? So I must restrain myself. So this is my breakfast. I have my coffee, as I said, and I'm gonna go do this. But listen, guys, I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day also. Okay? Later, y'all.